Hello everyone and welcome to Zach's Garage. Today you join us after the VMAX 200 runs and the car is caked. Now once again I'm passing this video on to our professional detailer Rich, who's going to show you what happens, well, once you've done several 200-mile-an-hour runs in a Koenigsegg and it is filthy. So without further ado, detailing a Koenigsegg.
Okay, as Zach's introduced this, look at the state of this. It's been the VMAX all weekend, it is caked. So we're going to start the process with snow foaming. You can see all the stones in the vents. The back vent looks like a forest. Leaves, stones, all in the air vents there and on the sides below us. The whole car is absolutely filthy. So we'll start the process off. We're going to get this snow foamed. We're going to blow out some of these leaves and stones and come back to us. Watch the process, enjoy the foam, and then we'll see a nice shiny car at the end of it. So, snow foamed, as you saw, twice. Confident now all the grit's off, all the dirt and that is off. So we're now going to do a contact wash and remove the rest. weather's not looking too good. So now we want to work on the engine bay, give that a clean up, and then we'll open the front clam and we'll do the luggage compartment. Engine bay's nice and clean, and now we're going to move on to the inside. So you've seen the engine bay and the interior cleaned and hoovered. All that's left to do now is just the glass.
Well, there you have it. Now, this is obviously a shrunken down version of the actual process to clean the Koenigsegg. The actual process takes a lot longer. And so, yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to Richard for actually sort of hosting the show and showing you guys just some of the process of cleaning the Koenigsegg. It's now nice and clean, back in the museum, and ready for its next outing, whatever that may be. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.